In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Asana profile. If you're new to Asana or just want to make your workspace feel a bit more you, personalizing your profile is quick and makes collaboration smoother. Your teammates will be able to recognize you at a glance in tasks, comments, and projects. Start by opening your profile settings. Look to the top right corner of your Asana window and click your profile picture or the colored circle with your initials. In the menu that appears, choose My Profile Settings. This opens the place where you control how your profile looks across Asana. Next, upload your profile photo. In the profile settings, click Upload Your Photo. Select a photo from your computer that clearly shows your face. A simple, well-lit headshot works best, especially if your organization has lots of teammates. If you have the option to crop, center your face so it displays cleanly in small circles. As soon as you upload, Asana will replace the default colored circle with your photo wherever your profile appears. While you're here, you can also customize other profile details to help teammates know who you are and what you do. Fill in your full name so it matches how your team knows you. Add your job title and department to give context when people browse projects or assignments. If you use pronouns, include them to make collaboration more inclusive and clear. There's also a short About Me field. Use this to share a brief sentence about your role, expertise, or the types of work you handle. Keep it concise and professional so it's easy for others to understand at a glance. There's no separate save button because changes are applied automatically. Once you upload your photo and adjust your details, you're done. You'll immediately see your profile photo in tasks, comments, and project member lists, replacing the initial color circle. A few important notes to keep in mind. If you don't upload a photo, Asana automatically assigns a colored circle based on your name. That color isn't something you can manually change in this interface, so if you want your profile to stand out or be more recognizable, uploading a photo is the way to go. At the moment, adding a profile image is the only way to customize how your profile looks visually, and that's how to personalize your Asana profile by uploading a photo and refining your details. It's a small update that makes teamwork faster and more personal. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.